Today we are going to learn the workshop of 1.3, the wild boar and the fox. Students, we learn the story of the wild boar and the fox. Then we solve the exercise of the wild boar and the fox. Here is given here. Question number first. Write answer to the following questions in one word. Here given instruction. Write the answer following questions in only one word. But you try to write the answer in full sentence. You try it. I read the first question. What was the boar doing? What was the boar doing? I write here this question's answer: sharpening his tusk. In Marathi, what was the boar doing? तो जंगली डुक्कर काय करत होता? I write here sharpening his tusk. तिचे जे टस्क होते, सिंग होती, तो काय करत होता? शार्प करत होता, धारदार करत होता. Now I read second question. Did the boar any attention to him? तर मराठीमध्ये जेव्हा तो बोर शिंगे आपली धारदार करत होता, तो त्याच्याकडे लक्ष दिला का? नो, he can't pay attention. He do his work carefully. Then third question, how was he doing? And then in meaning in Marathi, how was he doing? तो कसं काम करत होता? Here answer is, I write here carefully. He do his work very carefully. Then fourth question, who saw the wild boar and what decided to do? Then we learned that in this story the fox live in same forest. That's why who saw the wild boar? Who could saw the wild boar? Wild boar ला कोणी पाहिलं? What did decide? विचार करणे. What did he decide do? आणि त्यांनी काय विचार केला, काय ठरवलं? Here I write here first question, who saw the wild boar? The wild boar saw fox. And then what did he decide to do? He decided to teach to boar. Then fifth question, who lived the same forest? Who lived in the same forest? Fox. Then second question, गोष्टीतील 3 अक्षरी 4 अक्षरी शब्द शोधा. It is so simple question. Here tell it. Firstly read the story one by one line. And then you write down 3-letter words and 4-letter words. Only one count the 3 letters. For example, the lesson's name, story name is The Wild Boar and the Fox. In this story, wild, W-I-L-D. How many letters in this word? Only one, 4-letter words. And then you write down this row, 4-letter words. And then T-H-E, T-H-E. Here are the, how many letters comes are there? 3 letters. T and H and E. That's why which columns you write down? three letter words. The same way you firstly read story and you find three letter words also, four letter words. And then next question here given here in Marathi, खालील मराठी शब्दांसाठी इंग्रजी शब्द लिहा. Then here given Marathi words and then you write down spelling of these words. Divas. What is meant by divas? Day. Jungle, forest. Laksha, carefully. Kola, fox. Zhad, tree. Ready, तयार, ready. Severed, end. खरोखर, true, sure. चालणे, walk. विसरणे, forget. ठरवणे, decide. सभोवती, आराम. I write here all the Marathi words and the name of English words. Then next question, create two questions each by using the words below. Here the meaning in Marathi, खालील शब्दांचा वापर करून प्रत्येकी दोन प्रश्न तयार करा. Create, बनवा. Two questions, दोन questions. Each using the words below. खाली दिलेले प्रत्येक वर्ड पासून दोन क्वेश्चन बनवायचे. As a wish. But I write here questions. You write down questions in your notebook. Another question. I write here the first is what. I write here what is your name. The second word is tiger. Where do tiger live?